Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Nissan Pulsar ST C12 hatch, stock reference number 5410. The shape runs from the 12th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2017. It has an MR8 A8 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Bonnet appears to have no damage. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, MR8 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, tidy front bumper cover, left guard appears to have no damage, left front door has about a 10-inch vertical dent and a small dent, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear door has only one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left tail light, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.